Okay, friends, here we are. We're going to be converting from a mixed number to an improper fraction. Same as always. First of all, what are we going to do? Read the fraction. 4 3/5. Next thing I'm going to do is look at the denominator, right? The denominator here is fifths, which tells me this entire fractional amount, this mixed number, is working with fifths. That's super important to remember. So when we go about converting, we know we have 3/5, right? That's obvious. We definitely have those 3/5. But how many fifths are there making up those 4 wholes? Well, to remember what kind of denominator we're working with or what unit is super helpful, because I can know that each one of these wholes is made of 5/5, right? One of the wholes is made of 5/5. And another one of these wholes is made of another 5/5. And another one is made of another 5/5. And that last whole is also made of 5/5. So how many fifths are there altogether represented in this 4 wholes? 5, 10, 15, 20. There's 20 fifths represented in those 4 wholes. And then we have the 3/5 that are already there. So altogether, how many fifths are there? 23/5. And that's a nice improper fraction, right? All right, here's another one. First thing I'm going to do, read it. 3 6/10. Next thing I'm going to do, look at the denominator. We're working with tenths. Third thing I'm going to do is convert. So I know I'm working with tenths. That means this whole entire mixed number is made up of tenths. Keeping that in mind, great. So we already have 6/10. We know that. But how many tenths are there represented in these 3 wholes? Well, there's 10/10. Another 10/10 makes another whole, and another 10/10 makes the third whole. These are just denominators telling me what unit we're working with. And I see 30/10 there, plus the 6 that were already there is going to make 36/10. Let's try a couple more. All right, give these a try. Reading them. 4 2/8, dealing with eighths, right? And this one is 3 4/12. Denominator is going to be 12ths. What I want for you to do is to pause this. You go ahead and solve them and then come back and see if you got them right. All right, how did you do? Did you remember that we were working with eighths and that 8/8 would make each one of those wholes? Did you remember here that we're working with 12ths? So 12/12 would make up each one of those wholes. I hope you got them correct. We want to become masterful at being able to convert from mixed to improper and improper to mixed. That'll become second nature to you as you keep on practicing.